This is as of 6 o'clock a.m. today. The number of evacuation centers, it's now 581. As to families inside evacuation centers, it's now 44,376. Families, yes. Outside evacuation centers, we have 23,188. Based on the assessment coming from the FIBOX, there are three risk factors, no? Volcanic tsunami, ballistic projectiles, and base surge. Any of the three risk factors that the barangays in those municipalities or cities or towns wherein these barangays are exposed or susceptible, we are imposing a lockdown. So if the barangays in the municipalities covered by the affected area, but they are not susceptible to those risk factors, they are not, covered by the forced evacuation, no? Or the lockdown. According to the secretary, may mga nagtatago. Some people are hiding, no? They're doing hide and seek game, no? Because some of the, passages, what was cited is the, along Laurel, no? When the authorities are coming in, they will take the other route so that to escape, the checkpoints. But we're enforcing a stricter measures right now. We want 100% lockdown of those barangays susceptible to the three risk factors as identified. And those barangays are listed based on the FIBOX assessment. In the case of Tagaytay, FIBOX have identified 8 barangays in Tagaytay. Those barangays, the 8 of them, are susceptible in any of the three risk factors. So we leave it to the sound discretion of the city mayor of Tagaytay, whether, example, if the barangay is in the boundary of the risk, some portions are exposed and some portions are not. We leave it to the sound discretion of the mayor, the local chief executive, to implement whatever he or she deems right under the situation.
This is where the Joint Task Group Taal was created or organized actually to orchestrate all the efforts of the Army, Air Force, and Navy that are deployed in this area. So first, during the initial state, our task was for the rescue operation. Now that the victims are already in the evacuation centers, our next mission now is, of course, the relief operation. And this includes, of course, the security. And to have a delineation with the PNP is the one conducting the security on the ground, especially in the lockdown areas, conducting checkpoints. But we are there to complement their efforts. So that's how it is. So that there will be no duplication of efforts. So we complement each other. This also includes the effort being done by our Coast Guard, who are also situated or also deployed in the waters around the Taal Lake. Right now, we have about 2,000 personnel deployed. This includes personnel from the engineering of the Air Force, Army, and the Navy. Because as what mentioned by our Secretary of National Defense, to include our Chief of Staff, that we will be also helping in the construction of the toilets, because this is now becoming a problem because of the numerous evacuees that are in the evacuation centers. There is really a need to construct additional toilets.